Hello, Lynn.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Evening.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Wow, that's great. Okay, do you have a homework?
No.
Okay, very good. Okay, so are you ready to start our lesson?
Yes.
Okay, so we are just going to continue our topic about, can you still remember the title of our lesson?
Uh,
Hmm? Can you still remember?
yes.
What is the title?
Uh,
Title is
School.
School
Uh,
Subjects. Okay, School
yes.
Subjects. Okay, so this time let's learn about the conditional sentences type O. Okay, or zero conditional. Okay,
Yes.
okay, so I want you to read the structure.
Uh, if plus present simple and present simple.
Okay, you understand?
Yes.
Okay, and I want you to read the usage.
To talk about things that are always true, like a scientific fact.
Okay, to talk about things that are always true, like a scientific fact. All right, examples. First example.
If if you freeze water, it turns into ice.
Okay, if you freeze water, it turns into ice. So we have present simple freeze. Then another present simple turns.
Turns.
Okay, so always remember present simple. Okay, it's not past
Yes.
tense, it's present. Okay, and it's not future, it's present. Okay,
Yes.
okay, next example.
And if you hit at 100 degrees, it boils.
Okay, and if you keep water at 100 degrees, it boils. Okay, what are the present simple?
Heat and boils.
Okay, third example.
If students miss an exam, the professor fails them.
Professor. Professor
Professor, professor
fails.
fails them.
Okay, the professor fails them. All right, next.
If my wife has a cold, I usually catch it.
Okay, so the present is different. It's
Has and catch
has. Okay, has. What is past tense
has.
has?
This.
What is past form of has? Past simple.
I,
Okay, for example,
I get tired if I work too
I
much. If I work too much.
okay, I get tired if you work too much. All right, next.
If I'm late for dinner, they start tingling.
Okay, the present simple in the form of sentence is
Uh,
the simple. Present
am, uh,
time.
am,
Okay, okay,
I am.
okay, very
And starts.
okay, very. So always remember, Lynn, zero conditional. When we use sentences to talk about things that are always true. Okay, always true, like a scientific fact. Okay,
Yes.
if plus present simple, then another present simple, but always true. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Yes.
Okay, let's go to the next page. Okay, so let's practice. Can you read letter D?
Write sentences about sport and science.
Okay, write sentences about sport and science. Okay, read what is inside the box. Start.
Start your sentences with your teacher show you uh,
Shows.
shows.
Okay, start your sentences with your teacher shows you. Then, if you are very good at, you sometimes, in this subject, some students. Okay, so you're going to continue the sentences about sports and science. Okay, so you can use these useful words in the next box. Can you see it?
Yes,
Okay, very good. So can you do it?
yes.
All right. Sometimes.
I'm finished.
Okay, in this subject, some students will become scientists. Wow. Okay, let's see. Very good. Can you read your sentences?
Your teachers shows you methods. Method.
Metals. Okay, you can add some details. Okay,
Yes,
you're very good at experimenting things. Okay, you can add more details so that the sentence will become longer. You
yes.
sometimes become,
You.
okay, you can say you sometimes become scientist. Okay, in this subject, some students will learn about metals, um, try to experiment, and do experiment, and someday they can become scientists. Okay, so that
Yes,
their sentences will become longer. Okay,
yes.
okay, so let's go to the next page. So that's about science. You made sentences about science. Now this time, let's read some suggestions about sports. Okay, can you read this?
Uh, your teacher show, shows you different ways to throw and hit a
Throw,
ball,
throw, and hit.
throw and hit a ball in this lesson. If you are very good at running and jumping. You usually enjoy doing this.
Mm-hmm.
You, you sometimes throw, bounce, and catch balls in this class. In this
Class.
subject class, in this subject, some students learn to play different sports and games.
Okay, very good. So that's how you write sentences, okay? You have to add more details to be more specific so that your sentences will become longer, okay? Will become longer and more understandable, okay?
Yes.
Okay. So let's go to the suggestions when it's about science. Okay, can you read it?
Your teachers, your teacher shows you different methods in this class. If you are good at math, you might enjoy this lesson too. You sometimes do experiments in this class. In
Mm-hmm.
this subject, some students learn about famous scientists.
Okay. So your teacher shows you different metals in this class. If you're good at maths, you might enjoy this lesson too. You sometimes do experiments in this class, in this subject. Some students learn about famous scientists. Okay, so did you get an idea on how to write sentences? Hmm?
Yes,
Okay, so that's how you write sentences. All right, so always remember, add more details, okay, about something. Okay, you talked about it in details. Okay, Lynn?
yes,
Okay, let's go to the next page. Let's go to letter E. Listen and write. Can you see it?
yes.
Okay, so you're going to listen and write. So, who is this? Who is this?
That is Miss Bright
Bridge.
Rich. She is a teacher.
Okay, so this is Miss Bridge. She is a teacher. What is she doing?
She is teaching.
She is teaching, okay, or she is talking to the students. Okay, what are the
Yes.
students doing?
Uh, the students are writing
Writing.
and listening to teacher.
Okay, to Miss Bridge. Okay, they are listening and writing. Very good. Now, listen and write. All right. So look at the picture. Read the sentences here or some sort of questions. Okay, then you will write your answers. Okay, Lynn?
Yes,
Okay, are you ready to listen?
yes.
Okay, it's about Miss Bridge. Okay, just wait for.
8E. School subjects. Listen and look. There is one example.
Now, on Monday, remember, we don't have classes because we're going on a study trip that day. Have you got a piece of paper? I want you to write some things.
Yes.
We can meet at the town square.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write.
We can see some art by Alex Marks at the museum. Can you spell that for us? Yes.
Okay. Do you have your answers?
Yes.
Okay. Is it complete or do you want to listen again?
Yes.
Okay, one more time, okay? You listen again.
Yes.
Are you writing your answers?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, one more time. I will play it again.
8E. School subjects. Listen and look. There is one example.
Now, on Monday, remember, we don't have classes because we're going on a study trip that day. Have you got a piece of paper? I want you to write some things.
Yes.
We can meet at the town square.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write.
We can see some art by Alex Marks at the museum. Can you spell that for us?
Okay? Okay, so example we have Monday. Okay, so meet in the town square. Number 1, see art by
Alex Max.
Alex.
Max.
What is the spelling?
Marks.
M-A. Can you write
R.
it here?
Yes.
Okay, you write your answers here.
I finished.
Okay. Is your spelling with sandwiches correct? Oh no. What is happening?
Uh,
Okay, let's check. Number 1, see art by Alex Marks. Okay, there is no apostrophe S. Okay, there is no
yes.
apostrophe S. Okay, and remember this is a name. So letter M should be big letter. Okay?
Uh, yes.
Okay. Bus number 28, correct. Sport to read about tennis. The answer is tennis. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Time parents should come. Time. Oh no. The time parents should come. Your answer should be time. Okay, it's 4:30. And number 5, for lunch can have sandwiches. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, sandwiches. All right, so check your spelling, okay? But I understand it's only typographical error. Okay, so very good, Lynn. So next time you should be more careful in listening, okay?
Yes.
Yes, like Alex Marks. Because Alex sounds s, right? Letter S. You don't have to put apostrophe S, okay?
Yes.
Okay. So let's go now to letter F. Letter F. What are you going to do?
Read the email and write the missing words.
Okay, read the email and write the missing words. Let's check the email, okay? Write,
One word on each line.
okay, write one word on each line. So there you can have, can you see the email?
Yes.
Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Oh no! That's the answers. All right. So try to read the email in, then you put one word on each line to complete the sentences. Okay, you write one word.
Yes.
Okay, go.
Uh, Hi, Robert. I'm sending you this email because you weren't at school today. In Mr. Park's class, we had uh, to read a text about pyramids. It was very interesting. Some of them are uh, 5,000 years ago. Did
Okay.
you know that for homeworks we must uh,
Did you know that for homework we must blank out more things about them? Okay, you can go to other sentences.
so look for pictures about the
Pyramids.
pyramid uh, or read more about them on your computer. You could write something about them too if you like, but not more than 100 words. See you tomorrow, William.
Okay, try to read again the email. Sorry.
Uh, Hi, Robert. I'm sending you this email because we weren't at school today. In Mr. Park's class, we had to read a text about pyramid. It was very interesting. Some of them are 5,000 years ago. Did you know that for homework we must write about more things about them. So look for pictures about the pyramids or read more about them on your computer. You could write something about them too if you like, but not more than 100 words. See you tomorrow, William.
Okay, so let's check. Hi, Robert. I'm sending you this email because you weren't at school today. In Mr. Park's class, we had to read a text about pyramids. It was very interesting. Some of them are 5,000 years old. Okay. Did you know that for homework, we must find out more things about them? So look for pictures of the pyramids or read more about them on your computer. You could write something about them too if you like, but not more than 100 words. See you tomorrow, William. Wala gani siya kagawas niya to. Okay, so the answer in number 2 is 5,000 years old. Okay, number 3 is
Yes.
we must find out more things about them. Okay, so look for pictures of the pyramids. Okay, so you got 1
Yes.
and number 5. That's not bad. Okay, so now read the email again and tell the reason why William wrote the letter.
Uh, William wrote the letter because Robert weren't at school today.
Okay. He is writing to tell Robert about what he did in history class and what Robert should do for homework because Robert is not at school today. Was not at school today. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So very good. So let's go now. Oh, the wee bears are very cute. Do you know these bears?
Yes.
Okay, so letter G, we are now in. What are you going to do?
Answer the questions.
Answer the questions. Okay. Okay, letter G. Answer the questions. Number 1. What different subjects do you study?
Uh, Math, uh, English,
Math,
uh,
English,
geography,
geography. Exam.
I want, yes, we will
Okay, Michael.
Socrates that friend. Mr. Spring. What does Michael say? Read the conversation and choose the best answer. Write a letter A to H for each answer. You do not need to use all the letters.
Okay, example.
Mr. Spring. Hello, Michael. Michael. Hello, Mr. Spring.
Okay, Mr. Spring. Hello, Michael. Hello, Mr. Spring. Okay, so it's letter B. So let's go here. Okay, so you have 5 minutes left. Okay, let's read number 1. I'm going to read the conversations or some questions, okay?
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay. I see, number 1. I see you are in your school uniform.
Uh, yes. We have to wear this jacket and trousers.
Okay, I see you're in your school uniform. What letter is that?
Letter A.
Okay, very good. Yes, we have to wear this jacket and trousers. Number 2, do you like school?
Uh, I enjoy it most of the time.
It's letter.
B.
Very good. Number 3, what's your best subject?
I'm good at maths. It is very interesting.
What letter is
Uh,
that?
it is letter G.
Very good. It's letter G. Number 4, what job do you want to do in the future?
Uh, Perhaps an engineer like my mom.
Letter,
Letter E.
huh?
E. D.
D. Number 5, which university do you want to go?
I'm not sure yet. Letter C.
Which university you want to go? It's letter C. I'm not sure yet. Wow, perfect, Lynn. Give me a high five. You are doing a really great job. Okay. Let's go now to the next page. Okay. Now, write your own answers to Mr. Spring's questions. Okay, so I'm going to ask you, okay?
Yes.
Okay, then you write your own answers. Okay, number 1, I see you're in school uniform.
Yes. We must wear this jacket and trousers.
Okay, you have to answer it with your own answers. Do not follow the activity. Hmm? Okay, so I will give this to you as your homework, okay?
Yes.
Okay. So thank you for your time tonight, Lynn. You did a very good job in our class. I'm going to see you again next time, okay?
Yes.
Bye-bye. Good night.
Bye.